Prepare yourselves, for this is a voyage into the truly gigantic, an exploration of biological superlatives. We will delve into the lives of these titans, seeking to understand the environments that nurtured them, the evolutionary pressures that shaped them, and the remarkable adaptations that permitted them to achieve such breathtaking dimensions. The sheer scale of what we are about to witness is something that will undoubtedly stay with you. A profound reminder of our planet's incredible and at times almost terrifying capacity for creation. Don't miss number 1, it'll blow your mind. Our journey begins some 60 million years ago in the Paleocene epoch, a world recovering from the cataclysm that saw the demise of the dinosaurs. Here in the humid, sweltering jungles of what is now Colombia, a new giant was rising. In these primeval wetlands lurked Titanoboa carrageensis, the largest snake ever known to have slithered across the face of the earth. Picture a serpent stretching an almost unbelievable 13 meters in length, roughly the size of a modern school bus. Its body, thick and immensely powerful, would have weighed over a ton, a rippling mass of muscle and scales perfectly adapted to its aquatic hunting grounds. Titanoboa was an ambush predator of formidable prowess, spending much of its time submerged in the warm, shallow waters, its eyes and nostrils just breaking the surface. The diet of such a colossal constrictor would have consisted of equally impressive prey, including giant turtles and ancient crocodilians. The existence of Titanoboa tells us a great deal about the Earth's climate during the Paleocene, a powerful testament to how environmental conditions can shape the evolution of life. We now dive deeper into the annals of prehistory, into the Miocene and Pliocene epochs, to encounter a marine predator that still captures the human imagination. Carcharocles Megalodon. Megalodon was an oceanic titan, a creature that dwarfed even the most formidable of today's marine predators. Conservative estimates suggest an adult megalodon could reach lengths of up to 18 meters, nearly 3 times the length of a modern great white shark. Its jaws, wide enough to swallow 2 adult humans side by side, were lined with hundreds of serrated teeth, each a perfectly evolved cutting tool. The bite force of Megalodon is estimated to have been staggering, perhaps 10 times stronger than that of a lion. Its primary prey likely consisted of whales, with fossilized whale bones bearing the unmistakable serrated bite marks of Megalodon. The reign of Megalodon eventually came to an end as global climates cooled and sea levels changed, shrinking its preferred warm water habitats. Yet for millions of years, Megalodon was the undisputed ruler of the oceans, a creature of terrifying power and majesty. Leaving the ancient oceans, we now journey to the Oligocene epoch, to the vast plains and open woodlands of Asia. Here roamed the largest land mammal ever to have walked the earth, Paraceratherium. Standing at an estimated 5 meters tall at the shoulder, it would have towered over the landscape like a living mountain. Despite its intimidating size, Paraceratherium was a gentle giant, a dedicated browser that spent its days methodically consuming vast quantities of vegetation. The eventual decline and extinction of Paraceratherium were likely due to a combination of factors, including long-term climatic changes and the rise of new, more efficient herbivores. Yet for millions of years, this colossal mammal was a dominant feature of the Asian landscape, a peaceful titan browsing the treetops. We now venture further back in time, to the Cretaceous period, to what is now Argentina. Among the giants, Argentinosaurus huinculensis stands as one of the true heavyweights, a creature of almost mythical proportions. Estimates of its total length place it at around 35 meters, comparable to the length of a modern basketball court, and its weight is thought to have been in the region of 70 tons. Argentinosaurus was a herbivore, its life dedicated to consuming the vast quantities of vegetation needed to sustain its gigantic frame. Fossilized sauropod eggs, some potentially belonging to Argentinosaurus, have been discovered in communal nesting grounds. The sheer size of Argentinosaurus likely offered it considerable protection from most predators once fully grown. Argentinosaurus represents a peak in sauropod evolution, a testament to how, under the right environmental conditions and evolutionary pressures, life on land could achieve truly awe-inspiring dimensions. Its every step would have sent tremors through the ground, a slow, deliberate progression of unimaginable mass. Our journey now takes to the skies, to the late Cretaceous period, to witness the largest flying creature ever to have graced our planet, Quetzalcoatlus northropi. The most striking feature of Quetzalcoatlus was its incredible wingspan, stretching up to 12 meters from tip to tip. When grounded, it would have stood as tall as a modern giraffe, its long, toothless beak pointing skywards. Some scientists now believe that Quetzalcoatlus may have been a formidable ground hunter, stalking through the Cretaceous fern prairies and forests like a giant winged stork. Imagine this colossal creature taking to the air. A running launch, or perhaps a powerful push-off from all fours, would have been necessary to get its massive frame airborne. Once aloft, those enormous wings would have carried it with a slow, majestic grace, capable of gliding across entire continents. The world of Quetzalcoatlus was a dynamic one, on the cusp of the great extinction event that would wipe out the non-avian dinosaurs. Quetzalcoatlus represents the pinnacle of pterosaur evolution, a true titan of the prehistoric skies. We now return from the distant past to the present day, to the vast, deep oceans that cover most of our planet. Here swims the largest animal ever known to have existed on Earth, the blue whale, Balænoptera musculus. A fully grown blue whale can reach lengths of up to 30 meters and can weigh an astonishing 180 tons. Despite its immense size, the blue whale is a remarkably graceful and streamlined creature, perfectly adapted to its marine environment. The diet of this oceanic behemoth consists almost exclusively of tiny, shrimp-like crustaceans called krill. The vocalizations of blue whales are among the loudest sounds produced by any animal on Earth, allowing them to communicate across vast distances. The blue whale is a magnificent testament to the wonders that still exist in our world. It serves as a powerful reminder of both the grandeur of nature and our responsibility to protect these incredible giants. Our exploration of terrestrial giants takes us back to the Cretaceous period, specifically to around 100 million years ago, and once again to the rich fossil beds of Patagonia, Argentina. It is here that in 2014, a discovery was made that introduced us to a new contender for the title of the largest land animal ever, Patagotitan majorum. This titanosaur sauropod is estimated to have reached a staggering length of around 37 meters, slightly longer than Argentinosaurus. Its weight is estimated to be in the realm of 69 to 77 tons, placing it firmly in the same colossal weight class as Argentinosaurus. The discovery of multiple individuals in one location suggests that Patagotitan may have lived or at least died in groups. Patagotitan majorum's relatively recent discovery highlights the fact that our understanding of the prehistoric world is constantly evolving. Each new fossil find has the potential to rewrite what we know about these ancient creatures and the ecosystems they inhabited. It serves as a thrilling reminder that there are still incredible secrets buried beneath our feet, waiting to be unearthed. We now journey to the Cretaceous period of North Africa to encounter a carnivorous dinosaur uniquely adapted to a semi-aquatic lifestyle, Spinosaurus aegyptiacus. Spinosaurus was truly enormous, potentially the largest carnivorous dinosaur ever to have lived, surpassing even Tyrannosaurus rex in sheer length. Its most striking feature was the enormous sail-like structure on its back, formed by neural spines extending up to 1.6 meters from its vertebrae. What makes Spinosaurus particularly fascinating are its adaptations for life in and around water, including a long, narrow snout filled with conical, unserrated teeth. Recent fossil finds have revealed a surprisingly paddle-like tail, broad and flexible, which would have been a powerful locomotive organ for propelling its massive body through water. Spinosaurus challenges our traditional perceptions of dinosaur lifestyles, showcasing the incredible diversity and adaptability of these ancient reptiles. It was a unique giant, a river monster of the Cretaceous, ruling the waterways with its immense size and specialized hunting tools. Our journey takes us back to the Miocene epoch, around 12 to 13 million years ago, and into the ancient oceans, to meet a truly terrifying marine predator Livyatan melvilli. Named in part after Herman Melville, the author of Moby Dick, this creature was a raptorial sperm whale, an apex predator of formidable power and weaponry. Livyatan possessed a full set of enormous, deeply rooted teeth in both its upper and lower jaws, reaching lengths of up to 36 centimeters. Livyatan melvilli was a large whale, estimated to be between 13.5 to 17.5 meters in length. Its prey likely consisted of medium-sized baleen whales, seals, and perhaps even other toothed whales. Leviathan melville coexisted with another marine titan, the Megalodon shark, in the same oceans. Leviathan represents a fascinating branch of sperm whale evolution, a fearsome hunter whose existence underscores the diverse and often brutal realities of life in prehistoric oceans. Our final giant is perhaps the most enigmatic and potentially the most colossal of them all, Amphicoelius fragilimus. This sauropod dinosaur from the late Jurassic period is known from incredibly scant evidence, a single partial vertebra that was lost or crumbled to dust shortly after its discovery. Cope described a neural arch that was reportedly 1.5 meters tall, and he estimated the complete vertebra would have been an astonishing 2.7 meters in height. Based on comparisons with other sauropod skeletons, extrapolations suggest an animal potentially reaching lengths of 40 to 60 meters. If these estimates are accurate, Amphicoelius fragilimus would dwarf every other known dinosaur, including Argentinosaurus and Patagodoton. The mystery of Amphicoelius fragilimus serves as a potent reminder of how incomplete our knowledge of the prehistoric world truly is. Until new fossil discoveries confirm its legendary status, it remains the ultimate lost giant, a tantalizing what-if in the story of life on Earth. Our journey through time, encountering these titans of the past and present, leaves us with a profound sense of awe. What would have happened if these giants coexisted with us? It's a thought that sparks both wonder and perhaps a little trepidation. Some, like the magnificent blue whale, still grace our planet, reminding us that Earth still holds incredible wonders. But these giants also teach us something critically important. Climate change and extinction are real, powerful forces that have shaped life on Earth for eons. Can we learn from their fate to protect the giants that are still here, navigating the challenges of a rapidly changing modern world? The responsibility now falls to us. If this journey through the world of colossal creatures amazed you, give this video a like, subscribe for more awesome facts, and tell me in the comments, which of these giants would you love to see in person? See you next time.